Hey, Ev, we got a great problem for you here. This is a problem that you might not know how to do the nomenclature on it. I know that when you probably did this practice problem before, you didn't worry about the nomenclature because it looks like it's crazy. But I'm going to get you through it, and we'll make sure that you can see how you can do it pretty easily. So, again, excuse me, practice sheet number 2, question number 8. Here is our compound right here. It looks crazy, but I'm going to tell you right now, when you see this right here and you see the H at the end, we're going to say that's an acid. So it's a certain type of acid. Plus, it's kind of rearranged here a little bit different. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to combine these letters together, and we're going to say that we have C2O2 H3, or it's going to actually be C2H3O2. That's what it's going to be. It might look like this. Okay, it might look like H, C, 2, H, 3, O, 2. You might find a better way to see it something like that. So this is what I'll probably give it to you as, not this one right here. So this one right here looks a little bit different. So we're going to figure out what it is. Since it begins with H, it's an acid. So all we have to do is look at what is this part right here and figure out the polyatomic ion that goes with that. So we know that it's going to end with acid. Okay, but what is the first part? So let's go ahead and look at our packet. We'll go to the polyatomic ion sheet, go all the way down to the polyatomic ions, and we're going to find, oh, look at that, right at the top, C2H3O2. So if I scroll down here, if we change the 8 to ic, and then say acid, we're going to be good. And notice that hydro means no oxygen, but there is oxygen, so we change the 8 to ic and then call it acid. So what is this one going to be? Acidic, not acetate, acidic acid. Let's go back to our part. We're going to say acidic acid. There we go. That's the answer. Not too hard, if you know what you're doing. So let's go on and do the molar mass. So we're going to put down, we have carbon, we have hydrogen, and we have oxygen. Those are the 3 that we have. So carbon, hydrogens, and oxygen. That's it. So how many of each one do we have? So we go to the carbon, and we say 1, 2. There's 2 over here too, so we have 2 carbons. How many hydrogens? We have 3 right here plus this one, so 3 plus that one is 4. And oxygen, we have 2 and 2, so that's 2. Now we're going to go ahead and multiply that by the atomic mass. So the atomic mass of each one of these, if you don't know what it is, you can figure it out on the periodic table. So good thing I know what the molar mass is. So we're going to go back to the molar mass right here, and the molar mass of carbon is 12, carbon 12. Hydrogen, the molar mass is 1, and for oxygen, the molar mass is 16. And again, we can double check by going to the periodic table, getting down here, pulling back all the way back up here to the periodic table. And there we go. We have carbon is 12, oxygen is 16, hydrogen is 1. Hey, I was right. And then we're going to go ahead and put the totals. So 2 times 12 equals 24. 4 times 1 equals 4. And 2 times 16 equals 32. You got it. We're going to total these up. But for total, we're going to put in our molar mass. Oops, mass. Okay. And that is going to equal the total of what we have right here. And we can add this up. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Bring that over there, so we have 60. So I think it's 60. Let's double check. Okay, so 24 plus 4 plus 32 equals 60. Ooh, there we go. So the molar mass is 60. 60 what? And you got to put this down there. You got to make sure that you do this. So it's going to be 60 grams. And 60 grams of what? Acidic acid. So this time I'm just going to do this because I think it's easier. Go ahead and copy. Put that down there. Put paste. There we go. 60 grams of acidic acid is the molar mass. Okay. So we're going to highlight it. And there we go. Bam. We are done with question number 8. As always, go Mohawks. Nelson out.